Hello. Hello, human beings of the interwebs. Hello. So, I was contacted by a company called Proxite. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I should have actually asked. Am I centered on screen? There we go. Anyway, I was approached by a company called Proxite about demoing these really cool little contraptions. This is a PoE midspan that an installer would take to them to a house. And as you can see, this is ballin', man. It's built well. You've got this nice strap. What is that reflective? It's not reflective, but either way, it's good quality. It's built out of some good plastics. I mean, like, it's almost like the Tetra Pak plastics, but that is a nice solid unit. I mean, I like that. It's built really well. It looks like it's fairly, I don't know if it's water resistant. Let's see here. What does it say on here? So it's gigabit. Auto timer off after 10 seconds if there's no load. 24 to 30 volts. It does full-length Ethernet cable. And this one's compatible with Milwaukee or DeWalt batteries. Now you can get these in all sorts of different flavors. Okay, so this is a brand new product on the market. Now, I've seen many of you guys out there have made ones of your own like this. But this is one that's been mass-produced that you can actually purchase. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Design facility. So it's handy. So the whole idea here is that I can take this little device and I can order it specifically for the packs that I use. And I use both Milwaukee and DeWalt. This is a DeWalt pack. Yeah, I know in the short that I said it was a Milwaukee, but whatever. I'm semi-brain dead. There we go. So it's as simple as that. You plug it in, turn it on. It's not detecting anything, so it's not going to do anything. Let's plug something into it. Ho ho! What do you know? It's powering up this AirFiber 5X HD quite comfortably. Now, that's because the AirFiber 5X HD can run on 24 or 48 volts. How neat is that? But as you can see, we've got a nice green light here, and if I detach that, it's going to say that there's nothing there. Now, I wanted to try something else, actually. I want to plug this into my digital load tester, and I wanted to see what would happen if I was to connect this and turn it on. So I want to see how much current this guy can produce, because it says right here on the box it'll do 25 watts. I'm impressed. So let's dial this little guy up. I hope you can see that. 1 amp, 1.24, 1.29, 1.35, 1.37, 1.42, and we're still at 25 volts. 1.48, 1.55, we're down 24.8, and it toppled. Now the cool thing is you can see the indicator on here turns red when it topples, so this has an intelligent boost converter built into it. There we go, it is reestablished. So it looks like it's 1.5. 1.55 is the limit. Why don't we get out a calculator and see exactly what that means? Okay, so this is producing, let's see here. Calculator. Well, okay, so 24.7 times 1.55. We want to be literal. So this is actually pushing 38 watts. So this guy is standard. It's passive PoE. It's using your typical two pairs. You've got your blue pair, so that's 1, 2, 3. So it's 4 and 5 are positive, 7 and 8 are negative. Yeah, and it's just pushing out power. That's all there is to it. And she collapsed. I went to 1.56 and she went down like a house of cards on a windy day. Yeah, that buck's working a little hard. That's their boost, sorry. That boost is actually getting a little... Oh, you know what else it is? Look at this. For all my testing, I drew the voltage down on here, which means that the boost converter is actually working harder to get it up to the 24.9 volts that's coming out of this thing right now. So, yeah, it's a neat little device. So, yeah. I like this, though. I like the strap. That's like a really solid strap. And you can find these at www.prozeat.com. Prozeat? Prozeat? This is like... I would trust that. By the way, this is a glass desk with a rubber mat on it, just so you know. That's strong. I'm really impressed with the build. So www.prozeat.com, Proxeet, Proxeat. And these are actually made in Cyprus. Now, I don't know why a couple of people got offended by that for whatever reason. I don't know what's going on. The reason why I mentioned Cyprus is because I've honestly never seen anything come out of Cyprus before. And so I'm fascinated. I mean, like, most tech that you see comes out of Shenzhen or Wuhan or Australia or Mexico. But I mean, like, I haven't seen anything come out of Cyprus. So that's really cool. Yeah, good for them. So yeah, this is a neat little device. That's really all there is to it. So, yeah. I don't know, what else can I say? It's a simple device, though. We already know what this thing is, so it's not like there's any trade secrets here. Well, let's be honest, it's a boost converter in a awesome plastic housing with a really awesome intelligence to it. So I want to see what's inside. I want to see the caliper of this, and I'm really excited because I already know that this thing is built very well. Not that I've taken it apart yet, but you can just, if you had this thing in your hands, you'd be able to feel it. So let's see. Oh, see, already I'm seeing quality. Look. This is nice. Okay, so first of all, actually, that looks like it's 3D printed. Neat. Okay, here we go. I'm actually gonna be careful there. You know what? I should actually take a picture of that before I take it off because these are individual headers. There we go. Or you know what else I could do too? Because I can be somewhat smart sometimes. Because I am kind of stupid most of the time. Everybody's like, oh, Sarah, you're so smart. You're so smart. No, I'm not. No, I'm intelligent with certain things, but for the majority of everything else, I'm fairly stupid. I'm just very good at hiding it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on here. And that will hold those connectors together. But already, okay, while that's cooling, this is silicone cabling. That's quality. So that is a nice silicone wire. Like, that's not cheap wire. By the way, if you're going to ask me what the price is, I have no idea. These guys contacted me. They wanted me to look at the product and demo it on the or my YouTube channel. But I mean, I don't know what the price is on these, and I don't know. But they're built. Look at that. That's the okay. So here's a cheap little buck converter. Okay. This is built extremely well. Like, look at the circuitry. Okay, I mean, like, this isn't just some hacked together, chunky, chopped up crap. This is well built. Look at these caps, okay? Look at this coil. Oh my God, this is really well built. I'm actually quite impressed with this. Let's get this apart. Now, this is an engineering sample. I'm gonna say that right now. Un momento. Okay, so this is an engineering sample. There's really nothing left that I can actually show you on this, but yeah, like, this is just very, very well built. Like, look at that. This isn't just cheap, tossed together garbage. I like it. I'm actually really, really happy that they sent me this. I never asked if I had to return it. I don't want to now because this is going to go in my tool bag. I'm not even joking. Like, I know that I've got the MaxWave stuff kicking around from our friends over there at, which I'm going to be letting the guys know at Baltic Networks that this exists now because this is something which we need to see hit the market. I'm actually excited. That this brings a smile to my face, and actually I kind of needed that because I had a kind of a crappy weekend. This is good. I'm I honestly can't say I know exactly what I was expecting, but I can tell you this much is that I didn't expect it to be built that good. Not that I was saying that I was expecting, like, garbage. No, no, not at all. No. What I'm saying is I did not expect it to be built this well. So I wish I knew what kind of a plastic this is. Plastics are not my specialty, but I do know that this is a hardened plastic. I've only seen this in, like, commercial applications. It's just really built well. I did not expect to see that kind of a board. And the nice thing about those discrete components is it's built well and it's easy to repair. So if you own one of these things, and let's say that your installer leaves it out in the rain, or they do something silly, or one of the rookies does something and breaks it, it wouldn't be too hard for you to either send it to us or SWG or another repair shop, or just fix it yourself. Like, this is built really well. Everything about this, every aspect of this is well built. It's very simple. I give it 2 thumbs up. Not that I've ever rated a product like that before, but this is refreshing. It's refreshing. I'm really, really impressed. That's all I can say. And I'm not saying that because, like, they're not paying me. I just, like, here, send me the product. I'll check it out. And, I usually try to be polite if something's no good. And I usually give, like, try to be unbiased because it's kind of rude to say, oh, that's a piece of garbage. But no, not in this case here. I'm excited. That's my honest opinion. This is a nice product. And I hope they're going to let me keep it because I want to get the 48-volt version as well. And I want to put both of these in my work truck. I mean, I know it's bigger than, like, the Wave packs, but I know this is something like, I had one of those Link Tech test packs and I dropped it and it split apart. I was really upset about it. The other thing was it overheated really badly. That was one of the problems I had with them. I tried to insert a couple of pennies in it to dissipate the heat, but it just didn't help. This is my installer pack now. I really hope I can keep it. Anyway, thank you, Proxseed, for sending me this awesome product. This is built really well. I like this. This is, it even says everything. There's nothing hidden. You've got your power, your data. See the little lightning bolt there? And passive, 2 pairs, 25 watt, auto off after 2 seconds if it's not used. All of the instructions are over here. Like, c'est parfait. It's perfect in every way as far as I'm concerned. So there you go. Go check them out. So again, actually the website's on the strap here. This is www.proxeet.com, proxeet.com. And I will definitely be telling my friends at Baltic and Double Radius and about this neat product. So very happy. Well, anyway, where are we at now? 13 minutes and 24 seconds. I don't have anything else to say. It's a simple device. It does what it's supposed to, and it's built well enough that I would trust this thing. It's going to be dependable for you. That's really all there is to it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later. Have a good one.